Good morning, beautiful soul. If you have woken up today with your mind already racing with worries, stress, or that heavy feeling in your chest, I want you to know that you are not alone, and I'm here to do this meditation with you in love and light. Some mornings are just harder. The mind wakes up before the body does, already replaying yesterday or fearing what's ahead. But right now, in this moment, there is nothing you need to fix, prove, or plan. You are safe here, and together we'll begin to soften that anxious energy and remind your heart that peace still exists within you. Find a comfortable position and let your shoulders drop a little. Unclench your jaw, soften your eyes and close them. Now take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold it gently for a moment and exhale softly through your mouth, like you're releasing the weight of the night. Let's do that again. Breathe in calm, steady, easy. Hold for a moment and breathe out tension, fear, pressure. Let your breath become your anchor, a quiet rhythm that brings you back home over and over again. Now bring your attention to your body. Notice where you feel tightness, maybe in your chest, your stomach, your shoulders. There is no need to fight it. Just breathe into those places with kindness. Imagine each inhale bringing in warm, healing light, and each exhale melting away the tension you've been holding. As you breathe, silently say to yourself, it's okay to slow down. It's okay to rest here for a moment. Feel your body soften. Your arms, your legs, your face. You don't have to carry everything right now. Now bring gentle awareness to your thoughts. You might notice your mind trying to rush into the day, thinking about what needs to be done, what went wrong, what still feels heavy. And you don't need to stop your thoughts. Just let them float by like clouds in the sky. each time a worry comes up, say to yourself, "Not now. Now I am here. I choose peace in this moment." There is nowhere else you need to be but here, breathing, resting, returning to yourself. Now gently place one hand on your heart. Feel its rhythm, the steady reminder that life is still moving through you. Even if things feel uncertain, even if your heart feels tired, there are still small good things present in your life. Maybe it's just the warmth of your blanket, the softness of the morning light, someone you love, or even a pet or anything that you love doing, or simply the chance to begin again today, to be alive, to be breathing right now, to be doing this meditation. That's enough to be grateful for, even for just one little thing. Let those small moments of goodness to anchor you. Whisper now to yourself, there are still things worth trusting. There are still things worth loving. There are still things that are okay. You are allowed to have faith even when the future feels unclear. You are allowed to begin your day gently. As you prepare to move into your day, take one more deep, loving breath. Inhale calm. Exhale everything you don't need to carry. Let yourself know, truly know, that you can come back to this stillness anytime. This stillness lives inside you, even when you can't see it. Before you open your eyes, say to yourself, today I choose to move slowly. I choose to treat myself with kindness. I choose to trust that some things in my life are still good, even when my mind forgets. When you're ready, bring a small smile to your face, like the one I'm bringing to mind now, knowing that you're doing this meditation with me. Feel gratitude for showing up for yourself this morning. Today you chose peace for yourself. Carry that with you. You are doing enough. You are enough. And this day, no matter how it begins, can still hold something gentle and loving for you. Thank you, and have a beautiful day.